Hi everyone, it's Kristen with Generation Acres Farm. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make raw milk ice cream at home. It is a super simple recipe. We're going to be using raw milk, raw cream, and we're going to sweeten it with maple syrup. No white sugar in this recipe. It is so delicious. I'm so excited to share it with you today, so let's get started. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our 2 cups of raw cream that I just skimmed off of the top of about a gallon of milk. I'm gonna add that to my blender. And then 1 cup of just regular whole milk, raw milk in this case. I'm also going to add 2 egg yolks. These are raw, of course. You wanna get them from a reliable source, preferably pastured, healthy, a local farm somewhere, someplace you can trust. We of course raise these here on our farm. And here is our 1/2 cup of maple syrup. This actually came from our friends. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then if you just wanna make it vanilla, then we would blend this up at this point. But if you wanna add any flavorings, you can add cocoa. There's so many options. I have a bunch of them listed on my website, and I'll link that in the description box down below. I happen to have some beautiful fresh strawberries from the garden, so I'm gonna throw those right into the blender, and I'm gonna get this mixed up and then get those berries chopped up just a little bit. All right, I got the mixture well blended. I have the Cuisinart ice cream maker, and I'll have the exact model linked in the description box, but mine requires that this is frozen for like 12 or 24 hours before you make it. So what I do is I just keep this in the freezer at all times. That way it's ready to go when I need it. All right, I have my ice cream maker ready to go with the frozen insert, and then I'm just going to pour the ice cream mixture in. And then follow the instructions on your ice cream maker. Mine says to mix for about 20 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do.